Hello everyone and welcome to online video tutorial. In this video we are going to see one more job update which is coming from ONGC. Earlier also I had made one video on ONGC that was from GATE 2020. Now this recruitment is from GATE 2021 score. So as you can see on the screen, this is taking from GATE 2021. This is notification number 3/2021 RNP, and we are going to see this notification in detail. Notification has mentioned that its start date is 11th of October and end date of application is 1st of November. So we still have time to apply in this, and other details we will be seeing. If you are new to the channel, you can subscribe online video tutorials 2.0 and press the bell icon so that you get regular updates regarding all the job dates. Alright, so this is the official website है जहाँ पर जाकर के आपको करना है, and this is the recruitment for engineering and geosciences discipline. So lots of disciplines are eligible, and if you talk about the level of the salary, the level of the recruitment, so this is E1 level, AEE post. So it is a topmost post which you can directly go on without experience. So this is for the Dehradun location, and if I open in front of you this advertisement in English, and other things are also mentioned there, like steps to fill in application they have clearly mentioned in another PDF. Actually ask question, all the formats, all the things are given. I'll be sharing you with this website and this notification. Alright, so this notification says that it is for Dehradun location, and if you go down there are other things like eligibility criteria. So minimum eligibility criteria is that you should have this essential qualification, and which are the GATE subjects which you should have, and you should have the score of GATE 2021, and there are lots of the posts. Around 309 vacancies are there, and for that very also you will be getting approx 60,000 salary and more than that, because there are other allowances also. And in most of the post the upper limit is 30 years, right, except for few in which it is 28 years. So these are the special things which you need to remember. Apart from this, if you go for what will be the weightage, so weightage is GATE 60%. so most of you can apply who have slightly lower rank, because the GATE only 60% weightage is there, but still it is ONGC, so you need to have a good score, right? AEE cementing mechanical, so for that mechanical engineering is eligible. For mechanical engineering and for petroleum engineering there are lots of posts in here, right? 6 posts for this, and cementing petroleum, for petroleum engineering 1 post. Then civil, for civil engineering 18 posts are there. Then again mechanical engineering 28 posts, electrical engineering 40 posts, and then EC 5 posts. Physics is also the graduate with postgraduate with the degree in the physics, they are also eligible. So this is the one new thing here. AEE your instrumentation branch separately, there is a recruitment for instrumentation branch and EC. So 32 posts for this. Instrumentation have slightly more posts than electronics. And then mechanical again 33 posts. Mechanicals are in the different sphere. AEE mechanical is there, drilling and mechanical and petroleum. So lots of opportunity for mechanical, right? Production mechanical again 15, then chemical engineering 16, petroleum engineering 12, then environmental, this 5 post is there. Reservoir, in reservoir you have geosciences post, right? Geoinformatics and geosciences, and then these chemistry, and lots of the posts are there. You can go by the complete notification, it is just of 4 pages. And the chemistry post, and then geologists, geophysics, and materials. For materials also ME and all these branches are eligible. Transport officer again mechanical engineering eligible. So total 309 posts are there, mostly for mechanical. Civil just 28 posts I think were there, 18 posts. And for electronics, electrical, all branches are eligible, so you can go by this notification. And if you go down, what is the weightage? I was telling you about the weightage. So 60% of the marks will be from the GATE, and 25 marks is for your essential qualification, which is BTech of course, and 5 marks for PhD if you are a PhD degree holder. Otherwise you will be getting 20 marks if you have a maximum score in that. Now if your score is slightly going down, so you'll be getting marks according to that. Interview is only of the 15 marks, so you see the weightage there. Application procedure is simple, you have to just log in and you can apply. Finalization of merit, how that will be done, if you want to go in detail you can just go through this. And this is the age limit, right, as I mentioned. and these are general and other charges. Yeah, application charges are also there. 300 rupees charges is there, and last date is 1 November, right? Just remember the last date, because 1st of the November is the last date, and it is a permanent job, government job. Freshers can apply, all India can apply. There is no exam, direct interview, so all these things are there. You have already given the gate examination on the basis of which it is taking. Medical condition, if you are having any doubts, so these are the medical conditions also mentioned here. And this is it for this notification. All right, if you go for applying, so this is the website you have to go for applying. New applicant you have to go, and advertisement detail you will be given to that detail, right? New applicant you will be getting like this, and then a gate registration number, email ID, date of birth, and you will log in and fill the basic details, and you can apply. All right, so not much problem there. These two website links and the notification I'll be sharing you in the description. You can go by that, and if you have not checked out the other videos, you can watch other videos of online video tutorials. I have created playlist for your understanding of this, making it very feasible. So product reviews are there, gadgets reviews, educational tutorials, latest job updates, some vlogs, so you can go by these also. So this is it for this video. See you in the next video. Till then, keep preparing. All the very best for your future progress and examinations. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.